Re wishim liva usa datum neli kahang tharan in a ring pai. O Jerusalem knowing availi itum rang ning haira. Aring shun kokrum ni razang kahaya. Karanausan saikore li welcome salushit lay. Kala aritum mushun kokrum hina hili rivrawi sokmi atam saranu. Ari singaki ji ranye hi na jithemika thanme jikat Keishing ing ninglei recording secretary Solan Rashatang kala choir horizon team na pamit leye how pokla KKL number 510 centenary hymn number 1 how pok sehar Reverend Elochel Chacho Pastor UBC Kamchong Kala ajuwi mission kokrum hile exhortation kutum leye exhortation kre sada Reverend Soringam Ningshen Executive Secretary ETNPA exhortation kakni sada queer Victor Keishing ex-MLA Working President Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC Kala Thochan Shok Mila Oja Victor Keishing na shomi papamra exhortation Kaktumasada Queer Roland Keishing, MJS, retired District and Session Church ex-member, Meghalaya State Electricity Regulatory Commission, Atam Kwimira, Kala Momento release la Oja Roland Keishing na Jehomi Papamra, Kakubla KKL number 58, Centenary Hymn number 55, Kakubseha Queer Tony Luikam, Pastor Kongkan Baptist Church na Samira. Aritum program hi mau pok chawrang ka sakmai ke jithai atam hi PYS chairman le atam midle.
Sakmai ke jithai atam hun ka phyoke. Hita de ang thor le phek pai ke san ka thal ina ma phaning ba khrachile. Hita ra sho pai san nei. When are we him telakena that my mother takes him a saga by eatum way, Kashi by a Dr. Rachel? Are we now level looking a solas at Leye, Zena, and the Lumison with Ashman and in Cameron? So, Ning Shed Kakanya Lee, eatum way Kashi by a queer Victor Keishing. Ex-MLA working president, anala achi itumwe history release bang ang room midleye chena uja nala ashimang ning kamirana ning shedre aya zontang ina jitat kaya khazang leye gcha youth department when the staffing na khazat kre thaye atum naru razang midleye ka ashimang ning kamirana youth department when in Sherry, Kanawoli, Archer Itumna, Yaulaping Li, Yulaka, Kaharangra, now rapping. Yaulaping Li, Kachao brave rapping it, Hanun, Unzang with the clear, Kaharangrazat Leka, Ashing in Camerona. Ning Sherry, that Mike is taking it and Saura, Kajita, Tadarak Dalisa, Kajipachatam Kunoke, in Sherry.
Aritum worship Hapokwai, Saigorina Virali Kyakshina, Maningada KKL number 510, Centenary number hymn number 1 here. Itum Sangrums are choir Nathan Mirunu. Itum Saigorin Ingasa.
Now we are Siasa se chui vang ấy nè hi thấy lô kia proho vare hia awi ning kami kamayona pingli thought ting ấy nè tầng da ngishit mi ka hai ma ka kaya lagi shi ma khang chaya ning ka tonga vari rana Bungpa Khunou Baptist Church we yaron ngala Baptist Youth Society li proho na maher hai lakla zingum shaka kashungda nganaw rami laga than rami hauda aja zamik sho ishama vera nalishit ka sanga yaron ngalana running shinai roko nana kamatha sami ka hai nana nganaw rami ka hai nana than rami ka hai saiko ra phaning ungda narau yaron ngala itum na masot mi da lei da zingum shaka ka gashungwi nidre ayang ya wani itum ayon rai re itum masot kami las sakaina seha sakaina nawi khringa tuyeina baw malan ka hai saiko nawi ungram tek matei khwai kha sang sakmilo Kala Baptist Youth Society Bungpa Khunou Baptist Church yaron ngalali nawi so kami ngakai ka ngai na ta shong mi hauda atumi mi ren ishama vera chan pau ka pha abava ngasalaga atumi ka zat ka kar khring khra ka chi vale prohona so kami ya mirin sang sak milo ka chi hi sia saye kala jingum sha ka ka shong we ishama vera shit ka sang lila vera ka shung chao ka haya makhang che ya mirin chi chili ra shaitit la kanali ang ka dok thui khawai pro yoron ngala ping sai ko relila nana vera tam chi themi chinglo ga chi hi sia sane aring shon ishama vera itum thochan la khlare kala memento le itum khlare ko oja khanina nalisia sada khlami ge da le da khlaya itum uklung li pa khui da ring ka phang khamathan la samphang ke kala nawi khringa tui aina shaki sami ge da le da khlaya li la pron somyaw da itum so kami gazib sang sakmilo da shonwe program hi mahau phok chaw rang la ka ri lakan chi shu kristo we ming sing da siag sane amen
Are we exhortation kare hi Reverend Soingam Ningshen Executive Secretary ETNPL atam mille
Iwe message here. Centenary song hymn number 1 chine. Tauge. Meaningful sala kahela ne. Aya wena hi sadak lene. Message hi. Third stanza wichi. Kanishi da mook thui limre. Kya ko khanang da. Khanang de. Ja. Ta hiwe atamli itu mathirang laka chorus li mathirang laka namangla wivang prohowi odram gathalo khanang da khleya mangla pinglila chine BYS Bungpa Khunou kathana pingle congratulations on the leye ETNBA we on behalf aina iwe kya kashi ishi local pastor board of deacon ishi program li thochan shomi gi ge kala momento release hagi ge oja khani lila kala ishi TNBA we pastors ping na tum sai korali we kya kashi salam midale ye your la ping he important sala ke shimkhur katong ka naramli visit ragasa we ringapa chara gatala le sara akhama chara la tala pai haula gatala sala pai la special number la mila pai na thum ni lakya kashimi na le na thum Bungpa Khunou we messenger ne kachihima malai lo arwi ina ili exhortation Samilo Jauda in the Hitada Hangaye Church with Centenary Li Speaker Agasada centenary church with centenary kamayon we as a token of celebrating centenary Ergan Khalepin ka tonga Meli Rita Holoch de Mampning the Lehila Yapning Jindala Ajachipaji Mahamra Aria Malilimra Yerganda. Now, in the Natum Sai Corali youth Sai Corali Hita the Hangai Centenary celebration Kasahiana Nashi with him celebrating the Vivrawi take Hamate, Vivrawi look Hamashan over the years and throughout the years. Celebrate Sarah Jauda Nashihi. You are creating a history. Bungpa Khunou he history va create saire. Youth pasi aru ene create sada kleko. Malay say, aya we speaker na, we burden le laga na pastor akasada ram hili aji we khuni thought being khamang gazali akachang sada church wivang khu wivang no we simkhur wivang liability on the kleji hi uka khanang tuine celebration hiaina iwi sehava youth being kala khanui thought being khanga che darkar sai Kharnau Pingle, ang author we speaker na Kharnau Pingle, kathada treatment sarak la kachila Bible text ay nahang mere. Kathasido ajiwi kanui thought pingje. Kharnau Ping nahang aka, hai na tumuyata maning manechi ha. Itum ukhanang daleko. Kharnau Ping ukhanang daleko. Na tumli. In the next 20-30 years, church he was deacon la le sarala ga ji itum ukhnang dali de China ina na thumle request sa ngai ne mathing mai da ringra raling a chira kala rawi so khami khuida so khami ramne ga ji speaker ping na hang da kline so khamiji khui phung lakha next generation li pasa gi je no we pang li clean aya Bible text ai na hang da khle naungra pingli Old Testament reference ala ka hang da khle u khnang ai yor cha pai shi nei khnui thot ninga share mai se Rana so mirano he centenary kamayon hiaina ram hili khani thor shok ta clipping aji we challenge tara khali dali responsibility la chung mai raling achi da rawi ka hang na da optik vai salo ka chi hang khangai ne lastly Indian politician na khana interview li hi da ni na khang han ka sa ne Kemla ka hai na tum the da le yang mahang mre Nagaland li a visit ka sa tam li in hi ka da hang hai la chi hi yoron khama thama la sa ka the hi ping hili yang la ka I chi ang thor chi aya chi phani ung ji ne Indian politician na khali Nagaland li na ki we wang hi ka smart sa how why are you so intelligent why so smart ka jaina ana tada humor sala kaina ngahan kai but thugla kai meaning lai you should know how to choose your parents wisely de mijpa ji themla ge tuilam tu thela ge na khiwang kya ka intelligence ka ekla cha ka smart ka sa si cha tamli ana na shava li choose sa the lo de sa parela na ishava lichu sashebla sapairala masapai mrede kha meaning va itum yaron ngalada lela kha itum we khring kharachi mashunga kha itum naungra bingla mathara gide hi ta hiping hiwe parents bingla mathana da lera na tumui la ka tonga iwela ya itum next generation hi itum we naungra bingna mai ishawa hi ani chu sa the la ga na chu sa ne vrawi khmaya we longli shimkhur shem kala kha ilika phrane ga chipa chi hangna no ga ji no future we wang itum chi shen mi se ga chi hi hang ngai ne vrana so mi no amen
ning shera exhortation gaknia Queer Victor Keishing, ex-MLA, Working President, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, MPCC le. Atamid le kala thot Chan Shome la ocha Victor Keishing la tamkhui mi hawruno. Hari ocha le atamid le.
Iva masotla tak zai kasa fugi gata param sa sin se Sasha by pastor she pastor TNBAV Siru secretary pastor Razuk tu Taiping Khunou Ping Chongra Aningra Amengra Awongra Kala host Sadikle Bungpa Khunou Baptist Youth Society. Iramwe Khangchaliva Youth Jika Ngalama Whipping Nature. Kata, ta, Ngalama Whipping the youth nature. I read you a list of office bearers here. Now they chat cabin thousand days. They see here. I think this like a keep up there. Then issue the talk of Musumbian Elfias Young Tarasa. Then I never got the youth disantre. Let's hear me Malays and Ned. Concern lay by ring papai. Concern college, youth being, I think she executive secretary Hangse, youth being he responsibility quick when Malay to la, question outright. Or Jimininka, youth being he, a yardly that hater, what sazat hater, along Classaiter, Allah is a question outright. Iramna Acha. Jagum Krikum Church we centenary celebrate Saira Ajukum na ishi youth we celebrate Sadakreko. Atang ishi we church we obviously Valaka guest room Kintran. Pastors being we list Sagaichi. Iram he progressive Kugasa Fugatala Quee. Kajia, anxiety, Shinaokana pastors. 1940s lite. 1940s line. 1940s la, I'm chively, she Tangkhul, Shinan pastors have Patmale Sambra. Iram Lia 40s Lishoko. Kajiva history, Christianity Raven development dry change concepts, struggle change sai like a progress, struggle how you could the market the quiver. 100 years centenary cricket in a hanko century shower at Hanglateji. Century celebrates Sabungra. 100 years centenary celebrates celebrates Sabungra here, 100 years. Aya she Shimlipam national ping naili naramba breshi sada sanghar jang mai sigum sha ga ga ni iramba ma hang truk achu hili diamond sar te da langsong yi rim phang yi kha proportionate salagan langsong yi ra shi proportionate salagan rim phang yi ko 100 years back with history, 50 years back with history, and achu iram history. Yang say, compare sa say. He's out the ning theology nimne. He's out the youth being what some nimne in the young to lay here. Him took low. Competition, I don't hear. Competition here, specialization, super specialization, medical doctor chika. Aruku kichi pa hiwi specialization value hiwi kichi specialization super specialization oh competitive spirit hili tong jang se like positive salagana mili namta khoi samnim ne langso khoi samnim ne kha I them ngai iram them sa ngai chena Shalagan in the message Naka Mike, I don't see that in the Hinlaka. I read Tamili, Kunitot Bingley, in the Kihang Yila. You Jaka, it's from the Jutis and Gijos and Kunito Jobs, Kapayan Jasha Bianaja, Aram Iklatelia, Mahangam Nila, Makarangam Niklatelia. Kihang, 1 Timothy chapter 4, verse 12. Let no one despise thy youth, but be thou an example of the believers in word, in conversation, in charity, in spirit, in faith, in purity. In a Tangkhul translation, Pajib Hilik Biadli, Nang Nuita Layeta Mikipanaka, Machipat Ngasakalu. Ka Chalahe, Katharli Chalahe, Chitka Sangli, Legashili, Kasak Fali, Kala, Tuimatuli, Chitka Sangbing Nayau Kawai, Chilahe, Kawai Salu. Example set Sase, Kunitot Ping. Ada Atam Hangaula, Kratot Ping, Atam be example. Achu itumna healing in the Achu church, Sagakai, no evil contribution, Akram Sangte. Achu Hili, later like a tongue he, no evil contribution, Mizum Ko. Ara, Kuta Sasikle, Iram. Zagashili competes Sasik in Nimne, Kamtali competes Sarga. May minatumli Kuchpadli Sar, Kutal. Set an example, be an example. Be a salt, Machi, Salocin. Ariatam Hilly, Creal, Thought Liver, Itum Nang, Achetum Silver, Kilamlisala, Chenatum the She, Atom the temptation, the Malay, Itumatum Legion, the May. Ari, Archer in a Kunitodli Hankayakana. Biggest temptation is a milk here. Consumerism. Ara app chuna leo ho Mintra ne Amazon ne akaya oh kreliva iwalogi ne achu mi kurami tele nu shimle hi kuilo darkar saga magsala mthithura ja marakli tumla kuilo ga darkar magsala ku sung palga haitele shimle ja consumerism hina itum only temptation than itele ko Jena Musona Ping, Igdongra, Israngra, Inongra Ping. Hiatam Hilitum the key, Sarah, principle Aka, Ravi, guidance that Kasara, Nurkra, the young oh, let me be an example. Illa example Agasaki, Ravi Sepasaki, Ina, Victonly Ilian Laka, Ice, Macho, Hipahiva, Rhinox, Katko, Pachi. Example is Salo the Pog. China Rimpase celebrates Sase, Achu issue centenary we topics ping yanka. Centenary topic, past we, future we. Topic come thousandly here. Celebrating God's faithfulness through all generations because honoring the past, inspiring the future, celebrating a century of God's favor, celebrating a century of God's guidance, celebrating a century of growing in grace. Topic being important, topic mang me. Topic being here, don't understand salaka. Speakers come tata tra ratale atamnak tuji lang nanganak ko inspire ratale inspire salaka. Ni tong ni alaga machang adi chipachi bachang adi khuni to chipachi national chipachi riraw now chang ho riraw example an set sat le chipachi tong hangro no sia jena tong in palage ne lead by samita tong le runners soking saruno kala future generation the tong le iram liang laka iram Baptist Youth Society liang laka mai Bungpa Youth Society tong inspire sa ko da kong nai 그 동안을 찾아 그러노 것이 민신아요. Bungpa Khunou Baptist Youth Society theme celebrating God's faithfulness through all generations. Thought Chan history. Joe. Share.
Share Ojali. Our exhortation Gokthuma Sada Ukhrul Roland Keishing MJS retired district and session judge ex-member Meghalaya State Electricity Regulatory Commission le atamidle kala momento release la Ukhrul Roland Keishing na Johomi Pupamra Arui Ochali atamidle
Kyagshia, local church we pastor, local church we Kathana being, BYS Kala 100 years anniversary we committee being, ETNBA Kala Khongnai churches we representative being, Church Hilly Pastor Sagasa. Kala ragzip kai nutum sai korale shi trak chitai lei matai meida higitha tam sambangda natumui mangali khanganing sanga phongwi wang itumli sak wavri rali trak kaning sidale ili kasak kasang tui kachia exhortation Khamati milo the Kala momento release samilo the BYS committee na ili sanghami vivang BYS committee li ningkashi kachung ka pongsok talai Achu hi khimatu sikla the phingsai Jaina illa saya salaka masathe salala saya salaka o ta ka hi matira The 1 Timothy we chapter 4 verse 12 kachia khangte speaker ping the Timothy we chapter khangte matu haira Jaina 4 with 12 hili matira iwi phesin sara tai nak tiau ka thada iwi Ukhrul paning isne. Kau aja Victor na laksa dara yon tiao. Jadi ihi upay milegi. Kat halala Timothy li pesin safra. Paul na
Listra ko apam hili kharatran Paul hi zingkum hangbati shikha ne tahang Kala Paul na Timothy hi kakapang thran Paul hi zingkum hamphanga shikha kahaira Kala Timothy hi na 30 years ne tahang and he with difference 20 years sorry and he with difference 30 years Timothy na 20 years Kala Paul na 50 years ne tahang Itum the Bible kapatranli 12 disciples youth mang me chilirar makeup chekipa Peter the Jesus Christ na awi disciple ping phag shok thranli youth kapang Paul na Timothy hi awi youth time chili ana kapang kuini Samuel hi jingkum kya gali kapang kui now when ali vare na ho kuini the itum the Bible hi pa ka youth we saran ot ngurud vare shi ga saili ka chung ka the kui sampang atang hangaula Timothy 4:12 Paung rum lusitsa na nganui da leye da mi kipa naka machipat ngasak alu kha ka tharali shit ka sangli lei ka shili ka sakhwali kala matui li shit ka sang mi pingna ngayo khawai ngasalo jinesi itum na the Paul we chithi Timothy, 1 Timothy, 2 Timothy, Ali, Padobli, Nerlaka, Chiwen Khakpine. Now, Timothy he complete instruction to the church. Kajipawa, church we ought root, Kathadasa, Rukla, Kajihi, Paul, Timothy li Kamine. Hili youth ping mang li kahamung la kharnau ping la hangdale youth ping li la kharnau ping li la kharnau ping la youth li machi patarno kala youth ping li la mikipa naka nali machi patarno ka tha da sa ka machi patmara athang hangai tha da jang ka tharali shit ka sangli Lake Shili, Kasak Valley, Kala Twili, Shitkasang, Hing Wagijine. Itum he. Chitaka, me ping la Ngayor, Kachineji. Athang Motor Iramwi, Karewi Pastor, Oja Reverend Hornangaina. Awi exhortationly Bungpa Yar. Rakhanga Hain he. Lion Hanga Hain. Eva Chilipam Laka, Nanalaga. Here Awungaina Hangwap in Gotong Hokilaga. Bungpa citizenship, Mios Jota Hanga Gainda. Kacha Timotiman Laka. Challenge Attack Haidliji. Our challenge are Sally. Jen oh Taki company yon Haidi, Jigaidliji. Achu we first exhortation committee challenge na kubawe. Ka in akangi. Atum na hang the clay challenge meaning atum na hang the clay ji. Bible we 4 with 12 pingna. Mi pingna ngayo kawai salo gajine. Atum na challenge sa the clay ji. Mi pingna no we otsak, no we kathara, no we shit katsang. Jong sai ko hi chithelo chithaka mi pingna naling yor kachine chigtha khang yo sam bang khawai sa se da kashak sang ne da khuye aj BYS we Zingkum Shaka Kagsung Kambion Ungsung Kang Saki Ili Hanglu Jaka BYUS we chairman, secretary, executive athum we Kathanaping athum the hawk pok when a siasa the pangshap yang kusokta athum we saw the clay katongji transparency lay luck inside. Higata transparency kangteli imatamne. Kachangkat vrailing a chilaga, vraili siasa laga, kasani the kui. Jaina, Iwering a pa, BYS with committee ping, or atum chairman secretary ping, atum ping hilly, Iwing a shik, chung kachitadle. Kala, pastor, church we, Kathana ping, atumnala matantu tup by the seas halka, hita say the atum the tankami vine, hita the rag shokne. Krewi generation, I Kercham Salimra, future generation, I Mahangramne. Ka Aruri Zatakle, BYS, Maling Lak and Zatale, the Quingai. Kala, Third Lak and Zatale. Atumi organization, Atumi Sadakle, Vadakle, Katong, Yaruin la Taisere. The Ili Hanglo Jaka BYS we committee ping Hili Musochikat Ngai Laki. Ka are iwi caution. Zingum Shaka anniversary Gobhauer Akama. Jane Mato Haise, Matang Haise, Timothy Hangai Tada, Timothy instruction commit Tada, Itum the chief follow Salga, Chiti Shurlaka, Itum ring Laka and Tanga, Savashumse, Chitaika, future prospect lay, the Hangai. Future prospect itum the Matei Vatuida, itum the Kiangra, Ka. Actually, it from the Pamda Clayhina Salo Gaji Saka Bible li Matu Haji, Bible li Kapi Haji, Matu the Clay Church Hilly, Hang the Clay Psycho in an Aquilga, itum the Savasega, Mashoy Lakla Varen La So Mirror Gaji, you wish it Kasangne. Ear what had the hunger? Negative walk in the Mapaningai, positive walk in the Paningai. John Mikumohi Naka Pamia Sasala, Nama Pamne, no he tie or he tie Jaka, Muluvatauti, Takamo Pavauti. Come, Milly Sote Bunda. Always Sadakle, Pastor Sadakle, Mashun Trags and Sara. BYS with chairman Sagle committee na Sadakle, Kamshung Trags later, Atumi Tungdi, Itumi, Ninkashi, Itumi, Atumli, Katom Kami, Chile Pungishne, Yachita Hangai, Jaina. Achu Sang Hangai war, Kumang Luge. In a Kakutuma exhortation sao with the Kanganal among Nangai Limra. Chain the hilly Tata Tangoke, Nishilakare, Natum Sai, Corley, very so coming some no. I like him like this. Oh, Zinkum 100 anniversary we memento he in the show me okay. Hine. Hili Kapisangai he Bungpa Khunou Baptist Youth Society, established 1924. You are the light of the world. 100 years anniversary, 1924 to 2024. Theme: Celebrating God's faithfulness through all generations, 16 to 19 December 2024 the Nishinai.
Ari Mongchang Rang Lagaishi presentation Wang PYS committee le atam mille.
Moderator na atam kamiwang share our presentation we atam ishi BYS committee shong we na hunna khamu khwemre atam kshik khyo ka sangmui da khyo kwe khareli aching thor matwimi sami ka hai kuira yuthan machinau youth secretary itinbi alimi ngaye hiwi panglani ishi chairman samir na hibabra laka Kakhanili it may kyashi kupaya kuira reverend soaring amningshe executive secretary itinbi anakshi wakshok mirano kakathumli Queer Victor Keishing, ex-MLA. Ibak Akshi Shok Mirno. Kamatili Queer Roland Keishing, MGS retired district and session judge. Anakshi Wakshok Mirno. In Hili Hakapron Sangoke Gichibaba. Ishi BUS committee na financially saklag ay na lady laylaka. Oja Victor Keishing li tasam panglaka history Prince Hakavai the Takang Sanjitran. Oja Victor na matanto to Krista we mai yang laka. Ishi we his history on 600 copies on Prince Hakamine. Jimang Yari na Akishi Panglagay na Pangapemsa. Kakhanili Queer Roland Keishing MGS return issue memento 500 numbers hi ana donate kasane kalachili ham shakhani da hi ana donate sakhamine yari nakshi panglage na pangapangse khanawali issue former pastor Bingley Itum Bungpa Khunou Baptist Church, Kala Baptist Youth Society, Nama Malaiki Gichi, Atumli Ishi BYS, we Lakishi Azaksada, Panglano Kasangai, Ishi Chairman Sami Pamerno, Jaina Kareli, number 1 Railtel Keishing, Bungpa Khunou, and the first pastor in 1924 Likasane. Kachigata pastor Mawan Sati Gaila Kachunga Zangdale, Jaina Shimku. Naungarachi naungaping rakuimisin shinara kareli Railtel Keishing ashim kurupam lega rakuimilo Kakhanili Luishar Khamasom 1925 to 27 Luishar Marada Lake Lechang Luishar Jine Kamasom Kakatumale si Maringthai Phungyo ana 1928 to 29 ni pastor kasane ramne si Maringthai Phungyo Baptist Church wenane malaika khamati tau se isina thaja mina kwe inchi sung hungyo Bungpa Khunou ana 1930 to 37, 1940 to 41, 1945 to 46, Pastor Sakamine. Inchi sung hungyo. Shim khur mazad lemla. Iram naune. Okay. Taka kaphangali H Chakko. Bungpa Khunou. 1938 to 39, 1949 to 51, ana Pastor Sakamine. Chakko, H Chakko. Maraka Katurukali Ramilo Chako Katrugli Shiningla Keishing Bungpa Khunou 1942 to 44 and Pastor Sakamine Shiningla Keishing Shim Khurjang the Lake Katak Mida Kamilu Shiningla Mazat Kashinili Vainang Keishing Bungpa Khunou on a 1947 Pastor Sakamine. Kachishadli Reverend Ringshi, Bungpa Khunou, 1981 to 87, he and Pastor Sakamine, Reverend Ringshi Keishing. Wajar Ringshi Shim Krumazang Lemla. Mazanka Kachikoli Jinasung Hungyo, Bungpa Khunou, 1952 and Pastor Sakamine, Jinasung Hungyo. Mazat Lake Pacho Keishing Bungpa Khunou 1953 Pastor Sakamine Pacho Keishing Shim Khurping na Khui Miao Si Pha Mai Re Nextly, Kodohi Hungyo, Bungpa Khunou, ala 1953 Kasane, Kodohi Hungyo, Mapam Kodohi Hungyo, Mapam Ka Nek Pam the Lela. Nextly, J Changpeng Apong. Changpeng Apong 1953 Pastor Sakamine ana Mapam Ka Yushileng Keishing Bungpa Khunou 1954 Pastor Sakamine Yushileng Keishing Nextly, R.S. Johnson Taloy, 1955 to 58. Pastor Sakamine, R.S. Johnson Taloy. Mazat likle. Johnson. Nextly, Luiteng Shangshak Punghon, 1959. Ni Pastor Sakamine. Emim Bonda. Trada Tarugli, Pronto Keishing, Bungpa Khunou. Pronto Keishing. 1960, Pastor Sakamine. Nextly, Shangnaupeng Hangkau, 1961 to 63. Shangnaupeng Hangkau. Nextly, Z Mingmayang, Shangshak Punghon. Z Mingmayang, Shangshak Punghon. Mapam ka nextly S Ngaiteng Ningthi, 1967 to 79. Ana Pastor Sakamine. Nextly, Panipang Hungyo, Bungpa Khunou, 1980, Pastor Sakamine. Panipang Hungyo, Ishavan Nagakoyol. Nextly, S. Hornangai, Ningchi. S. Hornangai, Ningchi, 1998 to 2003, and Pastor Sakamine. Nextly, Twinson Keishing, Bungpa Khunou, 2004 to 2006, Pastor Sakamine. Twinson Keishing. Nextly, Reverend Z. Samuel Huishu, 2007 to 2014. Nextly, Stun Pinau Chatrik Kulen, 2015 to 2019. Stun Pinau Chatrik. Khanawali Ariri issue Yokoma Sadakle Reverend Shangauchung Chitung. Hina Kangchang Saure in Shere.
Miala.
Aring shun ko krum lia pong teng data shuru kwimi ga hai psychorally ning shi pong shok le service ye na thum na shuru kwik mi manga ena mapung pha khang sak na ari khang chang la masa rang la ka ngzin wi ran yes secretary na rapada mi haulu
Aching zinwi kokrum ranye in akshay na highlight samige 17 December 2024 Tuesday 5:30 p.m. Than mi yariwo choir the Horizon team Hogapok Lali KKL number 510 Centenary Hymnal 1 Hogapok Seha Reverend Shimraipam Phungshok KBC pastor Exhortation Quiru Stone Pinau former pastor Masodla Leira Vrei Tuipami Grihang Baptist Church BYS Chairman Tuipong celebrating a century of God's favor Matuimi Kuire Mejai Keishing Principal Pilgrim School Kamjong Kakupla KKL number 269 Centenary Hymnal number 13 Kakup Seha Kuire Temreso Rungsung Pastor Sampui Baptist Church
share ara istum shun kokrum Chang sang phawang kangjang la KKL number 58 Centenary hymn number 5 kala kakup sai hai kuritoni likham Pastor Kongkan Baptist Church Samyawno ari thum sai koring ninga da KKL number 58 is samsa
Imang โทษกจีเดิมมังใจเลยเลยจริงกจีกษาขบานนั่นลีนิ่งชีดเลยโคนั่นลีมุสอนมิตรเลยกษาฟาบรีอาจีบุงบาคนเอา Baptist Youth Society นะกุมสาขวี Centenary Celebrations นวีมังอาลีอิทุมมาทานทุบไปเนอะริมพาลักกินเนอะนวีมังอาลีนั่นซ้อมีกษังฮาวเดอคริสเตียนนวีเลกิชีนวีจูขมีจิตุมเนสานพกเลกคริสเตียนเนอิตุมลีโซบิลาเกกจิวีอามุจุดซาเดนวีมังอาลีอิตุมริงพารุมทะเลโคจิวิบางคริสนลินิชีนลิมอสอมิทะเลออกซาพาบรีบุงบาคนเอา Baptist Youth Society นะกุมสาขะขมยอนหินะทิมลีกหังเดอ Celebrating God faithfulness through all generation กหังเดอกษาขพาบรีนั่นสามีกหายสายครจีอิตุนมจุดเลกฮิวิสาขะกุมสาขวีมยอนกหายทิลี Youth Society พิงเนนวีมังอาลีมาชงริกไอเนงนิ่งจะเทียดโซกราดักเลยคนนุยทอดพิงลีฮินสากีสาบายรนุกสาฟาบรีนวีมาตะคึกไกเลยกชีจีสานคุยเลกบุงปาลีเลยดักเลยคนนุยทอดยัดทอดพิงโซราดักเลยสายกรอยเนอีเทียนวีเลยฮาลิบัมดักเลยกันฮะยุดพิงเนนวีมาตะคึกกหายสามีกหายจีตุนสานคุยเลกฮิลักละโมคริสต์วีโซขมีฮีตุนชุคุยเดนวีมิงเลยาไม่ระนุกสาฟาบรีนิ่งชิลาเกงชุนอัตมิทรานบุงบาคุณเอา Baptist Youth Society วีทอจานเลคลามอยู่ให้ดโครีลิซามอยู่ให้ดโคนิ่งชีนัลิมสามิดเลยจิมังมันนิ่งเลโมเมนโตโลอิทุมนวีมังอาลีกิรสอมีฮาริจิวิวังคริสตันลีนิ่งชีดเลยนัลิมสามิดเลยกัลนบุงบาคุณเอา Baptist Church Youth Society ลีฮิลียาวโฮมกษาอัตุมบิลิลอัตุนเนสามีกายสามันจิเลยยาวมีให้ได้กิฟต์มีก็ให้จิวิวังเลยนิ่งชีนัลิมสามิดเลยจิลีรังไม่เด้อเอ็กจอร์เดอร์พิงเนนวีตุยไอเนอิทุมลีเอ็กจอร์ดสังก็ให้จิอิทุมอุกลุงลีขลุยจาละก็จีเนอิทุมวีYouth Society ก็ต้องวิวังอิตุนงยอยันซาเดอคริสตันนวิวังรินจิเทกบายสอก็มีจิสมังสังวิโลก็จะเฮนเลเสียไซนิ่งชิลาใครดูก็มิติงนั้นเขาพงมีเดินนั่งจังมีให้เดจิวิวังนิ่งชิอิตุมไซกรลีนวิก็เทรับชิมเอเนสอก็มีจะนั่งยุยมิโลก็จิวังคริสนาลีเสียซาดเลยเฮกทาก็จิมราเรตึงเดมิไซกรลีนวิสอก็มีทานก็มีจินะอิตุมไซกรลีทานมิโลก็จะเฮคริสนาลีสอก็มีปอนีนิ่งชิลาใครเดจิชูมิงลีก็ปอนีอาเมน